Welcome to Literature with Sasha. In today's video, we are diving into the power of critical theory and its relevance in understanding the world around us today. From examining media narratives to tackling issues of social justice and inequality, critical theory continues to be a vital tool for uncovering hidden power dynamics and challenging dominant ideologies. Join me as we explore how this framework still shapes the way we interpret literature, history, and current global landscape. Let's get started. Critical theory today. Critical theory, a tradition that has evolved over decades, remain an essential intellectual framework for examining the world today. It originated with thinkers like the Frankfurt School scholars who sought to understand and critique the structures of power, culture, and ideology within society. Today, critical theory continues to provide a lens through which we can analyze social issues, political systems, and cultural phenomena, offering a way to uncover hidden power dynamics and challenge dominant ideologies. In the context of the modern world, critical theory engages with the following key concerns: social justice and inequality. One of the central tenets of the critical theory is its commitment to social justice. Today, it plays a significant role in movements advocating for racial, gender, economic, and environmental justice. By critically examining how power and privilege operate in society, critical theory helps to eliminate systematic inequalities that persist with institution, media, or everyday interaction. It provides tools to critique structures that maintain oppression and inequality, urging action to create a more equitable world. Media and ideology. With the rise of digital media and social platforms, critical theory remains crucial for understanding how media shapes public perceptions and reinforce ideologies. Today's media landscape is filled with complexities, fake news, biased reporting, and algorithm driven content, all of which are inspected through a critical theoretical framework. By analyzing the way media messages are crafted and distributed, critical theory helps us understand the power of narrative and the role it plays in shaping societal norms, values, and beliefs. Intersectionality. Modern critical theory has integrated the concept of intersectionality, which explores how various systems of oppression based on race, gender, class, sexuality, and other factors interact and intersect in complex ways. This intersectional approach allows for a more nuanced understanding of multiple overlapping forms of discrimination that individuals face. It enables a deeper analysis of identity and power, recognizing that experiences of oppression are not singular but multifaceted and interconnected. Environmental crisis. Critical theory today also struggles with the pressing issue of environmental loss of pride and climate change. The relationship between capitalism, industrialization, and environmental destruction is a significant concern for critical theorists. By examining how economic systems contribute to ecological crises, critical theory calls for a re-evaluation of our relationship with nature and advocates for sustainable, equitable solutions. It critiques consumerism and the exploitation of natural resources, urging a shift toward a more responsible, environmentally conscious future. Postmodernism and the question of truth. In the contemporary era, postmodernist influences within critical theory question the nature of truth and reality. As society becomes more fragmented and diverse, the notion of a single objective truth is increasingly changed. Critical theorists today struggle with how to navigate a world full with competing narratives, fake news, and relativism. They explore the power struggle that determine whose truths are validated and whose are silenced, urging a more comprehensive and recognized approach to understanding reality. Conclusion. Critical theory remains a vital tool for understanding and transforming the world. By integrating power structure, uncovering hidden ideologies, and advocating for justice, it continues to offer valuable insights into the complexities of modern life. whether applied to issues of race, gender, economics, media, or the environment. Critical theory encourages us to question, critique, and work toward creating a fairer and more just society. In today's world, where complex social and political forces intersect, critical theory provides an essential framework for making sense of the challenges we faced and imagining solutions for a better future. Thank you for tuning into Literature with Sasha. I hope today's exploration of critical theory has sparked new ways of thinking about the world we live in and the text we engage with. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more discussions on literature, theory, and everything in between. Keep questioning, keep analyzing, and as always, keep reading. See you in the next video.